Welcome to the Oracle Integration Partner Update. I'm Jürgen Gress, part of the product management team and your host.
This month's topics include Oracle VideoHub, hands-on trainings to become certified in Oracle integration, and our community webcasts. So let's get started. All our webcasts, including the product updates with the latest features, the monthly community webcasts with a deep dive, and the customer success webcasts with use cases and success stories are available at Oracle VideoHub. Not to miss a new webcast, subscribe to the channel. If you log in as a user, you can also download the presentation. Latest on-demand webcasts include new features of Oracle integration or Oracle Adapter Builder to create your own connections, advanced integration capabilities or healthcare integration, announcements from Cloud Worlds, including a demo of RPA, generative AI, kickoff webcast FY24, and how to become a certified partner. For Oracle partners, we offer free certification as a sales solution specialist or a solution engineer, including on-demand training and on-demand certification. Additionally, we offer for partners free integration hands-on bootcamps. Those trainings are 3-day workshops with live classes and hands-on material for ERP integration and HCM integration. In this month's community webcast, Milad and Anthony will give an update on Integration 3 upgrades. Why, when and how to upgrade, and what are the benefits for the customers, including all new features. At the same time, the upgrade is a great opportunity for you as a partner to consolidate integration platforms. To summarize today's presentation, in case you're not yet a member in the partner community, please register now. Leverage all the on-demand webcasts at Oracle VideoHub, attend a hands-on training to become a certified Oracle integration expert, and tune in our next community webcast for the upgrade strategy to Oracle Integration 3.
Thanks for watching.